Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Mobile Detail in Edmonton. My name is Lance. Your first time joining us, welcome. Thanks for watching. Today's video is something that has been, I would say long awaited, but you guys have been asking for a while, and reached out to some vendors and made it happen. We're going to change the appearance of the Terrari. Now that we got the lift kit, we got to get some nicer shoes put on her. Give her a little bit more beefy stance. Anyway, hope you enjoy the video. Hope you guys are having a great day. Check this out. That's right, you guessed it. If you didn't already know, we're back at Farley's, getting it done. It's the last time you're ever gonna see the Terrari looking like this. That's Jerome from Farley's. Say what up.
What's up?
All right, let's let the boy do his work.
Yeah, we just need the sensors this side, so you know we don't need to.
So that just alleviates the pressure on installing it. There he goes. Look at him. Boom! He's in! Okay, so everybody, you see this right here? Started getting mad at Jerome for a hot second. I was like, man, did you scratch my rims, bro? Did you scratch my rims? He's like, nah, it's wax. You're stupid. Okay, so what's the next step?
Put some air now.
That's it?
That's it.
Man, it's so easy. Boom!
Just like that.
It's the sweet, sweet sound of me getting to have some sweet new rims on my truck. Can't wait. In case any of you are wondering if Jerome's being extra careful because he's on camera, he's not. I watched him do some other ones. He's always this careful. It's cool. So the reason that we didn't ceramic coat these yet is because of this reason right here. When we put our G-on rim ceramic coating on, these weights would not stick. So I wanted to make sure it got balanced. TPMS sensors put in, mounted, all that stuff. When we get them back to the shop or the house, whichever one we do, we're gonna actually take them off, we're gonna ceramic coat them, and then put them back on, and hopefully do some off-roading soon. So the one thing you'll always notice when you come to Farley's, the one thing I love about this place is their OCD about cleanliness is, it's pretty awesome. Check out the floors. Like, everything is cleaned, everything is good to go. Whoa! There's the Terrari coming in. Check it out. Let's go, Hercules. You're gonna poop yourself.
Nice. I might. Never know.
Oh my god. Oh my god. They look so good. Oh my god. The last cap. Oh, it's rubbing there. So that's gonna come off or get pushed in, and then these back ones definitely gotta come off. And that is our problem right now. So what's your plan? What are you thinking? Just take it off and try to shove it in, or just take it off, or
just
what?
re-drill the holes back further and push it all forward and tuck it inside if I have to.
Yeah, and that'll be the best way to go?
Yeah.
Keep it clean. No wood screws?
No wood screws.
Okay, so in the backs, you gotta take this bolt, and then one over here, and then this pop pin. You gotta pull it out so we can take this bad boy off.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Just cutting this so I can tuck from here over inside the bumper.
Oh, cool. So it looks like we're gonna have to come back and do body mount shop over here eventually. Not today, it's getting late, but yeah, it's coming along awesome. She's really tight, like really tight, and I know what you're thinking. That's what she said. Yeah, it is. Okay, so these are the TPMS sensors that we're putting in the truck. These guys apparently will link right up with no problems and help me understand when I run out of air. Alright, tires and rims are on, looking so sexy. And my boy here is doing some nerdy stuff with his little nerdy computer. He's making sure the sensors work.
Fuck, might have to plug it in.
Does this bother you?
Oh, yeah, you're getting the pretty shot, bud. If anything, it's gonna plug all your...
pretty side, yeah. Alright, what are you doing?
Just setting your sensors. They should be good to go. So you have to drive it for 15 minutes though.
OBD 2-port sensor?
Yeah. We more or less just trigger them all, walk around. And then yeah, it'll pick itself up after you drive for about 15 minutes at above 20.
Okay. So after I'm done, it'll just automatically read it and I don't have to worry about it again?
That's it.
Right. Look who's rocking the merch! Yeah! He's showing off so much. That thing is gorgeous. I love it. I love that more though. I'm not gonna say who's in there because she gets super pissed off, but she's coming out and I can't wait. Let's go, Kara! That way! They gotta go home. It's getting late. You guys come to Farley's, you get to see not only your vehicle looking good, but you get to see stuff like that. It's crazy. The Torari is looking oh so sexy. God, I love it. Anyway, Farley's, awesome as always. Clean as hell on the inside, which is nice to know that when you bring your vehicle in, it's going to be taken care of. They take care of their shop like that, they're definitely going to take care of your vehicle. Huge shout out to Fuel. Thank you for the rims and tires. You guys are amazing at what you do, and your quality products are right on spot. I love it. These new rims are really cool. I know this may be silly, but I feel like a little kid right now. I feel like it's my birthday or something. This is crazy. I love these rims and tires. Oh, it looks so sexy. I've already had like 4 people like, oh, that's awesome, man. Thumbs up. Anyway, thanks again for watching, you guys. I hope you're having an amazing day. Stay tuned. We got some more videos coming out of the truck. Got a new reveal coming out for a wrap, and I don't think anybody's gonna figure that one out. It's pretty cool. All right, guys.